Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub Actions. Today we are going to learn creating your first workflow file. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So creating your first workflow file, typically named workflow.yml, is the initial step in setting up the GitHub Actions for your repository. Navigate your repository first. So how to create it, which we already discussed in the last video. So let's go to the repositories. So I will go with the Node.js repository over here. Any repositories, right? Go there. We have actions, right? Go there. Okay. Next, in the actions tabs, once you're in a repository, click on the action tab, which is done, and set up the workflow. So here we have, I want to set up my workflow on self. Okay. So here, this is a YAML file, that is main.yml. Okay, so create a new workflow file, click on the setup workflow yourself, which is done button, then you will open an editor. Okay, and where you can create a new workflow file, define your workflow. In the editor you will write the YML code, define your workflow. So here is a simple example. So basically that prints a message basically. So here you can see that. Okay, so there is a basic workflow which I'm going to enter over here. This is the name of my workflow. So on which on the behalf of which event, basically push, whenever there is a push of the code, then it will run. Jobs, so we are defining the print message runs on on which system, that is Ubuntu latest. So how you are going to get this runs on which one, Ubuntu latest, Ubuntu which one. So how to get this one, I have already make this note. So you will get the listing from here. So this is that one. You can see the runners list. Okay, so here we go with this one. So here you can see that the hosted runners come over here. Okay, so if you have the Ubuntu latest, you will go with this one. Ubuntu latest labeled as currently 22.04, and if you mention like this, you can mention here also. So make sure this you have to mention, that is runs on Ubuntu latest. So these are the steps. So first one is the name. So print a message and run echo hello GitHub Actions. So just I'm just printing the message, that is hello GitHub Actions, right? So this is my workflow. Okay, let's explain this one. Okay, so first one has a name. My first workflow, this is the name of my workflow. Okay, is triggered on push events. So it is triggered on the push events, right? So defines a single job named print message. So this is the jobs, and this is print message. Okay, so defines a single job named print message. So this is the job name. Okay, that runs on the Ubuntu latest, that is a virtual environment. Okay, runner contains a single step, so it contains the single steps. What are the steps? That print a message. So once you have defined here, create contains a single step that prints the message, that is hello GitHub Actions. Save the workflow file. Once you have defined the workflow, click on the start commit button. So just here commit the changes. So test workflow done. Commit to the directly to the branch, commit the changes. Okay, so here you can see that. Let's go to the actions. Okay, so enable so after committing the workflow, GitHub will automatically detect it and start the execution. So if I go my first workflow, here you can see that it's automatically restarts. Okay, and once it completed without any error, you can see that. Okay, this is my print message job name. Okay, print message, that is my job name over here, right? So and these are the steps. So let's see the steps. What are the steps over here? Okay, so here when I click on that one, so first one is set up the job. Okay, so runner is operating system is there, runner image, then print a message. So that is run echo hello GitHub Actions, hello GitHub Actions. After that there is a complete job. Okay, so cleaning up and orphan processes, right? So this is how we have created a full-fledged workflow in our GitHub repository. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.